read out the order appointing the cabinet ministers, the ministers of state, independent charge, and ministers of state. Governor of West Bengal, order. In exercise of the power conferred on me by Article 164(1) of the Constitution of India, I, Jagdip Dhamkar, Governor of West Bengal, on the advice of Honorable Mamata Banerjee, Chief Minister of West Bengal, hereby appoint the following 43 number of persons as cabinet ministers, ministers of state, independent charge, and ministers of state for the state of West Bengal.